This series of video addresses different technology obstacles in everyday law firms and our thoughts on how to overcome them. So first, if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little notification bell for more videos on law firm technology talk. So in this video, we're going to talk about the 12th obstacle common to many law firms. Today, we're going to talk about making your finish line and setting attainable and meaningful technology goals for your firm. First, I want to say when you set a finish line, it doesn't mean you're done. It just means that you are where you want to be at that point in time. You never want to stop growing, creating, and developing your law firm. So this phrase, it's excellent. The finish line is just the beginning of a whole new race. When you achieve a goal and hit the finish line of that goal, it opens a whole new world of what else you can do to improve on that goal or a whole new goal. Small wins over and over, they get you to where you never thought you could be. So what's an example of a goal and how to set a finish line? Well, since Edinger Tech is a legal technology firm, we're going to use technology. So let's say you want to make the intake process better. This would be your race schedule. You want to identify the problem and figure out how to get a solution. So the struggle is people are calling because they can't remember when the appointment is, or you're not getting your information forms from the client prior to the meeting, or you're chasing people down to collect consultation fees before the meeting. So the next thing is you need to clearly name your goal or what you want to accomplish. Your goal can be, I want to streamline the intake process so we're not spending so much time with appointment reminders, resending Zoom links, trying to get potential clients to fill out forms or collect payments. It's time consuming and it's exhausting. So now you've named your goal. Now, identify ways to solve each of those things. Let's start with the one where potential clients call all the time because they can't remember when their appointment is, the address, or the Zoom link. Okay, a tangible solution is to use automation to send out a confirmation email with those details, then send the day before and maybe an hour before. Those calls should just decrease, if not totally stop, with this tiny implementation. Maybe it's just the wording in your confirmation letter, or you're not sending reminders after that. People want their hand held, and automation can do that for you without any extra effort. Lawmatics is a great tool that can do all of this for you without the intervention of a human effort at all. So you say that people aren't completing the information form and they're submitting payment and they're not submitting payment prior to the consultation. Great, add an automation. Add the form link and the payment link in the confirmation letter that goes out. Send a 7-day reminder of the appointment with a reminder to get the form back and to submit their payment. Then add a task 3 days prior to the appointment to see if you've received it. Then the last automation can be a reminder that if it is not submitted, then they're going to have to reschedule. This isn't turning them away, it's setting the potential client up for success because you have an amazing process to meet their goals and you're going to stick to that process because it works for you and for the client. Lawmatics can absolutely handle this with automation built in. Now, the next step is to decide the best way to solve this. Do you want to use your current database? Do you want to switch to Lawmatics because it will be more efficient in the long run? Or do you want to use a third-party scheduling app that can handle these automations or appointments and reminders for you? What is best for your firm, and what is the best long-term solution so this doesn't happen again? Then you'll decide on a solution. Decide what you're going to do and implement it. Maybe this is through us at Edinger Tech. Maybe you're going to do it. You can set a date you want this solved by and do it. This is reaching the finish line. Then once you've implemented and solved the issue, now maybe you get excited and you want to build on that. So do this process again. Find the weaknesses, go through the process, and make those weaknesses your strengths. Then just rinse and repeat. Set someone in your office to be in charge of a project and Document the progress and the finish line. Set up accountability so it is accomplished. These are small wins that lead to great success. So now, keep growing. Don't stop. Keep dreaming, inventing, implementing, improving. Keep going. Never get stale. Don't copy your competition. Be better. Be better in innovation, customer service, personality, legal knowledge. Never stop and always go forward. So now is the time for you to set your goals. Where are your weaknesses and how would you like to solve that? Identify your struggles in a list. Write them all down so they're all documented. And we're going to address that list in our next video. Now that is going to be your race schedule to set finish lines for. Set a discovery meeting with us and we can help you identify struggles and lay out options and solutions. Then set your goal with finish lines and we'll help you get there. So schedule that free discovery meeting, set yourself up for wins and a culture of finish lines. We are certified with Lawmatics, Clio, and Actionstep and implement and train on many third-party tools to drive your firm into amazing successes. So in the last video in this series, we're going to talk about don't eat the elephant in one bite. Everyone gets excited when they want to make changes in their law firm. We get it. We do the same thing. But if you try and do everything at once, you will freeze and then you won't get anywhere. We're going to talk about making change in small bite-sized successes to the point where you ate the whole elephant and didn't even realize you did it. So you're not going to want to miss that one, so watch out for the email with the link coming up. Now, I hope you found this to be a good use of a few minutes of your time. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our Tech Talk videos. Take care, and until next time.